Welcome back to the Coyote Country Homestead. My name's Chris. Today we're going to be moving some scrap metal, loading it up into the truck and taking it in to sell. With the pallet business that I do, I end up with a lot of extra metal hanging around. I could just throw it all in the dumpster and let it go to trash, but it seems like that's silly, and I should have the opportunity to make money off of it since almost all metal has a scrap value. And so when I get things that don't sell, like some things that I'll show you today, or when just for whatever reason various metals have built up, I let all that accumulate, and today we're going to get that all loaded up into the truck. The difference is in the past, I've always had to do this loading manually, which is a lot of work, takes a lot of time. Today we're going to be using the pallet forks, which is going to make this a lot quicker. What I'd like to do is palletize it all and just put it up in the bed of my truck, but my bed really won't hold 2 full pallets and still have the tailgate closed. And I like to have the tailgate closed when I'm traveling to the scrapyard to make sure nothing falls out. So I've got it all in bins on pallets, and I'll just lift the pallets up to the bed and slide them in. I'm gonna go get the tractor warmed up and we'll get started on that. I've got a pallet of, I don't know, stuff I need to throw away that's in the way here. I'm going to move that over to here. Then I can use the pallet jack to get the pallets moved up here towards the end where I can grab them with the tractor and then move it up here to the truck where I can slide all those bins into the truck. These are really the heaviest ones. The ones before, I mean, other than moving that black cabinet, these little boxes weren't a big deal. Each one of these things is, oh, I don't know, 60, 50, 60 pounds. Um, and so the ability to just slide them right in here rather than having them lift up here is a whole lot easier on my back. What I got here is a whole bunch of oil filters for like a forklift. I bought an entire case of these things. I've had them for a little over 2 years, and I just can't get them sold. I mean, I've got them down to just almost nothing. So selling them for anything below what I had them listed for right now is really a loss of money. So it's time to turn these in for scrap and free up the space in the warehouse. All right, so that's it. You know, I'm so used to doing all of this work manually that it's amazing to me. It's still amazing to me how much faster and easier I can get this work done with the tractor. It's not that I couldn't have gotten this done manually. It's just, it's a lot harder on the body, that's for sure. So now I need to get this down to the scrap yard, get that turned in for just a little bit of cash. It's all shred steel. You know, I'll probably be lucky to get 50 bucks for the load, but 50 bucks is 50 bucks and it gets it out of my warehouse. So that'll be it for this one. Hey, do me a favor, click like, click subscribe. Subscribe won't cost you anything. We won't send you anything, but it does help me grow my channel and it lets you know when I make future videos. So other than that, thanks for joining us out here at the Coyote Country Homestead. My name's Chris, and we'll see you again.